Yeah, so this is here a quick unboxing video for the Auto-Vox A1 car dash cam here. So I recently put this into my car. I have a different video that I will linking to here up in the upper right corner. But now I'm finally getting to making the unboxing video to it. So first we have here the instructions manual, a lot of pictures to explain how it's done, how to install this dash cam. Then also here a little pamphlet informing you that you can be like a tester for Auto-Vox, so they give you a free product. Sounds pretty cool actually. And then let's get into it here. So first we have here the mirror, which is also the dash cam and the monitor all in one. So this is a reverse mirror shaped dash cam with the camera underneath it, so you can swivel it. Here we have some rubbery parts, so this is touching then the original mirror in your car. Let's see how this swivels around here, the camera. Okay. Oh, then here's a button on the bottom. I don't know if this is the power button or what. Yeah, look at this here. I already turned it on by accident. And here you see here the picture quality of the monitor of the screen. It's actually something seems to be wrong with it. And I was really concerned in the beginning. But then in the end it just turned out that the battery that's inside of this dash cam here was really low. So I just needed to charge the battery for a while and then everything was fine. So nothing to be worried about, everything is okay here. Cause hey, so then here what else comes with it? Here we have a little cloth here to clean the mirror when you touch it, because it's a touch screen, so you use the screen to set everything up. Then here we have a really long cable to attach the reverse camera to it. You also saw this red cable, that's what you connect to the reverse gear. And then here we have the reverse camera. Comes here with a double-sided tape attached to it, so you can glue this, stick this to the backside of your license plate, for example. And then we have here the power cord. This connects here to your cigarette lighter. It's actually the so you have the cigarette lighter on the one end, and then you have a mini USB connector here on the other end. And then you can also see here the output of this connector here is 5 volts and 2 amps, so it's actually here USB power. And then here we have 2 sets of these rubber bands. That's what you use to attach the dash cam to your rear view mirror.